Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento 2. Today we are going to learn how to import orders via CSV in Magento 2. So today we are going to create the orders in the Magento 2 with the help of the CSV. If the customer exists, then we will assign that order. If the customer not exists, then we will create that customer and assign that order via CSV. So let's see how we are going to do that. Let's have a demo on that. So here you can see I have created the one API for the create orders. Let's move on to the CSV section. So here we have the CSV part. So let me check the CSV. So this is the CSV. Okay, so here you can see that I have created the CSV. This all records have been added. So I will just go and showcase you the customer section. So here we have a customers. If I try to search the customer, and here you can see that this customer exists, right? So that means this all these have the customers exist. So now I'm just dragging drop this one and create a new customer over here. If the customer is not there, then you should create. So it's 1 2 3, right? So here the customer, I will just drag and drop this part. Okay, or what we will do, we will just this customer, we will make it 4567. Okay, and the rest of the details we will make it the change with the something like this. Okay, little bit changes in that details. Okay, so something like this we will change. Their addresses also we can change. Okay, so you will come to know that this have we have changed. Okay, the rest of the street is this. So let's add some of the street. Okay, so these are the details which require for the importing the orders. You can see the, and we have a product IDO and the quantity, right? So this is the full details. So this customer is new, rest of the customer is created, right? So let's try to create that order with the help of the API. Let's save this CSV file and try to import. So here we have the postman, and currently if I go to the sales and orders, right? So here you can see we have 0118 last order, right, with this one. So let's send this API to create that orders. So we have the orders like the 1 2 3 4 new records should be inserted as an order. So currently it's 18, should be 4 added over here. So nearby about 4 records need to be added. Let's see. So the CSV part is running up. So 19, 20, 21, and 22 inserted. Let's have a look. Reload this one. So 22 records. Okay, the new orders is coming up. Let's check each and everything. So here you can see that the customer 1 2 3 4 5 6 is created. If I go and check these details, now you can say check the addresses also. You can see the address is also created, and the rest of the part is not update because rest of the part is not, customer is not created, but the order is there. So if I go to the sales in orders, right, and here you can see the previous one. If I go and view and check the user information, the test 11, this already exists, and here you can see that the address is no new address is created, only one address is there. Okay, and the order is and you can see that the multiple orders they have. Okay, so this order is assigned to him. Okay, so this is how we are able to create orders and the customer not exist, create that customer. Okay, in with the help of the CSV in Magento 2. Any doubt, any query? And for the full code, source code view, if you want to explain me via the source code, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.